Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're driving in the 24 BMW M2 and we're about to get it tinted because right now it's still pretty hot here in Vegas, and you can see, I mean, it looks nice, you know, you have really good visibility with these super clear windows, but I'm kind of in a fishbowl right now and the sun is very hot. So we're gonna see what the car looks like after the tint. So I kind of want to show you before the tint here. You can kind of see the visibility, see the mirror, you can see out the back. We're gonna do 15% on the front two windows, 5% on the rear, and I'm not gonna do the windshield like I did in my Golf R. We're gonna refrain from the windshield this time. Once I get to the tint place, I'll give you guys a little walk around the outside so you guys can see it before and after and see what it looks like. All right guys, just made it to the tint place. Here's the before the tint. See, it's really fishbowl looking. You can definitely see right inside, super easy. Like I said, we're not getting the windshield done, just the sides and stuff. I'll catch you guys when it's all done. All right guys, the Beamer's all tinted up. Nice and wide, I love it. Got the little S58 rumble. By the way, I got it done at Got Tint LV. So if you guys are in the Las Vegas area, he does great work. I've brought 3 cars to him so far, and I've been satisfied with every single one. Oh man, look at that LED reverse light, that's cool. And Kevin was just talking about how he actually really likes the styling on the M2. Headlights look cool. There it goes. Now we gotta pay for it. All right guys, tint is all done on the M2. Obviously it's getting close to nighttime now, so it's not a perfect comparison to daytime, but just so you guys can see it, looks a lot better. No longer do you have that fishbowl look anymore. And just so you guys know, 15% on the front, 5% on the rear. Definitely gives it that nice like red and black contrast for sure. And then I will resume this video tomorrow or whenever's a good time that I can get this car out in the daytime so you guys can also see the difference there. Let's go ahead and hop inside. All right guys, we are driving on our way home. Just so you guys can see, windshield's not tinted, the side windows are tinted. So you guys can see the two differences there between tint and not tint. And this is driving around during like the, I don't know, sunset or whatever. Visibility is still really good. I do this on all my cars. I do 15 on the front, 5 on the rear, because I feel like that's a perfect balance between being able to see out of it and then also getting the benefits of the heat rejection and privacy as well. All right guys, we're also going to get a ceramic coating and a stage 1 paint correction on the car. So not only do we have the windows tinted now, but we're also going to get a paint correction and ceramic coating. Just want to give you guys a little walk around here. The new window tint in the daytime definitely gives it that nice black look up there by the windows, and it's no longer a fishbowl. You can still see in there if you really look hard, but it looks a lot better. The back, I have 5%, so I have limo tint in the back. Definitely looks a lot better with the tint for sure. And I just want to show you guys the paint here real quick before they do the correction, so you guys can see it here. See a little bit of metallic in there. There are a few areas that might need some paint correction, like this little gloss black in the front here. It's hard to see on camera, but there is some micro scratches here, like right here, a little bit on the grill as well. As you guys know, gloss black is super hard to keep clean. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit in the sun here. Paint could definitely use like a little polish or a little correction there, because as you guys know, the dealer, you know, they don't do like the proper washing techniques and stuff. So even if you get a brand new car, it's still going to have some imperfections on it. And even from the factory too, like no manufacturer is perfect. So just thought I'd give you guys a little walk around here before we do the correction. And let's go ahead and hop inside and see what it's like driving with these tints in the daytime. All right, guys, we are driving now. It's nice and bright outside. 15% on the sides is just fine. Obviously in the daytime you have excellent visibility, so you can see everything. You can kind of see the contrast between no tint and tint. Not that big of a difference. It definitely does help with the heat though, for sure, because the heat coming through the windshield is a lot hotter than the heat that's coming through the side windows. And like I said, I didn't do the windshield this time. It was really good visibility. And then let me show you guys the 5%. See, there's the 5% there and the 5% on the rear. You can still see just fine. So obviously daytime visibility is really good. But I'll pick up this video when we pick up the car with the fresh ceramic coating and paint correction. All right, guys, ceramic coating just got finished. Fabian, you want to explain what you did to the car?
So we went ahead and gave the whole car a one-step paint correction. So that pretty much cleared up any light swirls on there. Just because the car is so new, it only has like 400 miles on the dash. So with that, it was more than enough. We went ahead and got the carbon fiber restored without having most of the swirls on there. And then the front end had a couple bugs that we had to polish off. The wheels got done up. We lifted up the car, we removed all the wheels. As you can see, the calipers are all looking nice and shiny. Got all that brake dust out of there.
So we did the calipers as well, and the wheels are ceramic coated as well.
Exactly. And that just helps a lot with brake dust. When he brought the car in,
yeah, it's a lot of brake dust. Yep.
I mean, judging by the size of how big his brakes are, they make a lot of dust. So maybe in the future, upgrade to like some ceramic brake pads, or maybe that's what they already have.
Like some low dust ones.
Yeah, because it is crazy.
But yeah, paint's all nice and cleared up. Yeah, I'll show you guys in the sun tomorrow, but just want to give you a quick little walk around. Oh, I already done the interior. Yeah, I'm just showing like the ceramic coating. This is a ceramic coating video, so.
Yep, and then I feel like his back end either needs like a little, what is that, like a little wing, like a duck wing maybe, or something to get it more of an aggressive look.
Cool.
Oh, we also did the diffuser, and then the exhaust tips.
Nice.
Outside of them, just to help with them keeping them clean.
Perfect.
They had like a couple deep scratches on the tail light. We got that removed.
Yeah, there was like a scratch right here. He got it out, which was nice.
So maybe it was somebody walking by it, kind of hit it a little bit.
I'd say it's probably just the dealer like cleaning it, because I literally just got it. So.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I got it. Speaking of that,
but
plates on there.
Okay. But yeah, thanks Fabian for doing the ceramic coating.
This is what, your third car now?
Yeah, so the first one was the Mustang GT, and then I did the GTI and ended up selling it a week later. So I felt kind of bad about that. And then now this one. So Fabian does good work. I come back to him. So if you're interested in ceramic coating in Las Vegas area, hit him up. Let him know. He'll take care of it. All right, guys, ceramic coating is all finished. Check out this glossy paint. Looks really, really good. Paint's in really good shape after the light paint correction. Nice and glossy. Got the nice tinted windows. We also did the caliper coating and the wheel coating, so those should be easier to clean, especially since this car has so much brake dust. I think red is the color to get an M2 in. Some of the colors, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't think the M2 looks good in. Like, I know a lot of people like that Zandvoort blue or whatever they call it. I honestly, and this might be an unpopular opinion, I think that color is hideous. But the red, I think, looks really good on the M2, especially here in the sun. The carbon roof has that nice contrast. A tint from the rear window kind of looks like it goes all the way over the top. Extremely happy about it. Let me know what you guys think of the ceramic coating and the window tint on the M2. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.